Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains of North Carolina. Tonight, a little bit of an upgrade for the shop. You know, doing a lot more work here at the shop nowadays, so lights. I've added LED lights, light bars around the edges of this shop because it was kind of a little dark in here with just the regular bulbs up above. But what I'm finding is right here, right under where the engine or where I'm doing engine work is, still a little dark. And I've got screw-in light bulbs right up above here, but they just don't throw enough light and they don't throw it in the direction I wanted. So I did a little research and I came up with this, and we're going to be trying it out today. This is a Sansi LED light, but it's not a regular LED light. Let me take it out of here and I'll show you what it is. It's really kind of cool. From the reviews I've seen online, this thing is really neat. So let's unwrap this thing here. Kind of articulated and adjustable. There we go. Yeah, look at this thing. So it screws in to a regular base, like so. Right? It's got a regular base on there. But check it out. It is a bunch of LEDs and they are adjustable. So I can set this thing to however I want to adjust that light. And in my case, I'm going to have that thing facing, so I want it, straight down like that. Really ought to throw a lot of light on me when I'm working on these cars right here and light up that engine bay, which is what I need. So I'm going to go ahead and get a ladder out. We'll replace the regular light with this light, probably make some adjustments on the positioning of that light, and try it out. What do you think? All right, hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. I'm going to go ahead and remove the original LED. I'll still have the one facing towards the toolbox, but that's not the one I'm concerned about. I want to be able to lighten up this whole area over here. Now I did have to put an extension on. These are recessed, so just got an extension on this. It shouldn't affect the operation at all. Okay, holy cow. Yeah, wow, that is hard to look at. That is bright. Okay. I'm going to turn that one back a little bit. That's the part that's kind of cool. So I'm adjusting this one straight down. I'm going to adjust that one straight out. That one about where it is. And that one, I think I'm going to put that one up a little bit more. There we go. Oh man, I can't even see right now. That is so bright. So let me come on down here. Oh my gosh, this is so much better. Wow. All right, so I don't know how it shows up on camera, how much brighter, whatever. More brighter, whatever. But this is, don't look at it. This is very, very bright, and I love it. I'm checking it out. It's a bright white light. Now, I had used LEDs. These were 750 lumen, 9 watt LED bulbs. So these are pretty bright. I think 12 is the equivalent of 100 watt, and 9 is the equivalent of 70 watt, 5 watt. There were 2 of them up there. These are more of a yellowish light, which I don't have a problem with yellow lights at all, but good golly, look at this thing. I'm working on a vehicle now, and I get this thing, I'm looking down at the engine compartment, and clearly I'm going to be able to see a lot better without having to use drop lights or flashlights to get into those nooks and crannies. The fact that they're adjustable, so when I get my first vehicle in here and pop the hood, if I need to make a minor adjustment on the angle of that, that won't be a big issue either. So super happy. I have read a lot of good reviews on these things. They're only a few dollars more than a regular LED light. And if you haven't moved on to LED lights from the curly Q or the regular incandescent, you're really missing out because you're going to save a ton of money on these power-wise. And usually they're about the same brightness as an incandescent. So they also don't take time to warm up like those curly Q bulbs take a while to warm up, especially in colder weather. Not that, not an LED. So these are just an awesome upgrade. I'm loving this thing. Anyway, that's it for today. I'm Eric, the owner of Farpoint Farms. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, perhaps you'll think about liking and subscribing because there'll be many more videos just like these. Shop upgrades, all kinds of cool stuff. Take care.
There's always something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint Farms. Freedom is mighty sweet.